let us present your very own little kitchen helper, a hands-free Tesla mixer. This mixer is a perfect device for a busy kitchen with lots to do. Just add the ingredients and let it do the work, so you have plenty of time to finish lunch and also make dessert. The bowl rotates and enables you to monitor the mixing process. With a capacity of 3.2 liters, it's wide enough for you to easily add everything. The device is also quite easy to use, with an on-off switch and speed selection, a turbo button, and a beater release button. To keep everything simple, stainless steel beaters and dough hooks, suitable for mixing, beating, whipping, and kneading, can be conveniently washed in the dishwasher. Hands-free and hassle-free.